What's going on, guys? And for today, I will show you how you can redeem your Netflix gift card. So this is going to be straightforward and easy. So let's do this. So first, go ahead and open up your web browser. So from this one, you can go to netflix.com/redeem and press enter. So this will take you to this page, and right here in this input box, you can type the code that you got from your gift card. So it would be a combination of numbers and letters. So you need to input these codes or these characters into this type box, and then simply click on redeem. Now if you want to buy gift cards, you can also do it here. You can click on buy gift cards, and when you do, you will get that code, and once you get that code, you will also put it in here and click on redeem. All right, so that's it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.